The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mobius City in northern Utah, northwestern Tuala County in northern Utah, southwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rose Suburbia, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a dangerous storm. Hazard, 35 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, sidings and vehicles. Locations impacted include Mobius City, Salt Lake, Grantsville, the City of Wood, Station Square, Rose Suburbia and Emerald Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.